This is Aletha Phillips of PenTopSolutions.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the link timestamp WordPress plugin with the Smart Podcast Player. Here you will notice in the plugin section, I have link timestamp installed. I also have the Smart Podcast Player installed. Now let's go to the post where I want to add my podcast. So I'm going to use the Insert Smart Track Player shortcode. Click the button, and I wanted to play a specific episode of the podcast on this page. So I'm going to paste in the URL to the actual episode, and I'm going to leave the colors to default just for now, and then I'm going to click Build Shortcode. And now you'll notice I already have some data here. I have my short codes here, which I have it set up to automatically link these for me, so I don't have to go in and manually do each one. I could manually do each one, but I don't have to. So I'm going to update. All right, so my post is now updated. Before we make any changes to the plugin, let's take a look and see how it works at this point. So here's my page. I have the Smart Podcast Player on the page. You can also see the automatically linked timestamps. So if I click a timestamp, nothing happens because I have not set the appropriate settings to allow it to work. So I'm going to go to my plugin settings page. I'm going to go to Settings, Link Timestamp. And if I scroll down until I get to the settings section, you'll see link timestamps automatically. That's already checked, and we already saw that that is working. So if I scroll down to link time for embedded Smart Podcast Player, check the box, click Save Changes. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my podcast page. I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, and let's jump to 10 minutes and 22 seconds.
Yes, I think this is another one of my most favorite episodes of the season because.
Okay, so that works perfectly. If we want to jump to 1 minute and 23 seconds, I just click on it. We did our first episode where we talked about getting to where you. Okay, and that works as well. I can jump to 1 minute and 23 seconds. So that's the link timestamp WordPress plugin that's available at PenTopSolutions.com and the Smart Podcast Player plugin.